you. All right. Let's lock in. Market just opened. Hey guys, let's lock in. All right, we have, what are we doing here? Jeez, dude, look how shitty price action was. We have no news today. Hopefully we can get some fucking flow. Okay, the high time frame is like fucking obvious on ES that we want to sweep out all of this liquidity. I just don't really know when. It might be today. But look at this. Low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity. It's literally fiending to go down and sweep out all of that shit. It's just a matter of when. So for me, let me toss New York market open on right here. Asian session low, we manipulated that. This is London session low, this is London session high. We have Asian session high right here. Midnight open is right here. Let's see what this is hitting for. Are these equal highs? Okay, so this is the best play for me would be off rip. I want to see these equal highs get taken out. NASDAQ, we already swept out those highs. Or sorry, yeah, NASDAQ, we already swept out those highs. ES, we have equal. Am I tripping or were those not equal highs? Okay, so it was actually an SMT. So we have an SMT at these highs. NASDAQ swept out those highs. Relative equal highs at London highs right here. Getting legs up right now. Don't really have any super duper clear overall bias. Besides on the high time frame. The high time frame, I have a super obvious, super clear bias. I want to see all of these lows get taken out. We can group all of this as low resistance liquidity. There's going to be a Drake candle that takes out all of these lows. Ideally, there's a Drake candle that shows up. Yeah, dude, honestly, there's really not much that price is hitting for today. Sorry, there's a fly. Damn, bro, that's it? There's not really much going on here, folks. Bitcoin, on the other hand, had its highest daily close ever, which is pretty crazy. Pretty close to previous all-time highs on Bitcoin. I'm pretty much, in terms of crypto, I know I haven't talked about this in a while, I'm pretty much stabled on everything besides owning some Bitcoin. Or, I mean, for most people, for me, some Bitcoin is a lot of fucking Bitcoin, but yeah, I'm like Bitcoin only, Bitcoin or USDT only. But that's not really what I want to talk about right now. I'm not gonna lie, off rip, I don't really like anything that I see from the market. Most of the times, like you guys will see me get into these trade recaps and be like, oh, this is fucking obvious draws for the day. I'm not really feeling that type of way today. Yeah, the only thing that's like screaming and calling my name are these high time frame lows. But with the way that price action has been moving, bro, the past 2 weeks, price action on open. Okay, yeah, price action on open has been fucking slow as shit. So let's see. We could make an SMT off of these highs right here. I don't know. Let's just sit back and watch price develop and see what it wants to do for real. All right. All right. So we got the macro. I literally have like 7 fucking water bottles on my desk and shit. We've got the macro. Let me move these things over here. Macro opening in 12 minutes. And again, right now, there's really no strong bias besides these. The only strong draw on liquidity that I see right now for me to even like is relative equal highs with London session and London session lows and these high time frame lows. On NASDAQ, it's like fucking nothing. It's like London session highs and London session lows are our only draws on liquidity. We gotta wait for New York just has to manipulate something, cause yeah. I mean, this was London session open. We didn't really even manipulate, like, yeah, this leg down took out Asia lows and then we rotated, but then we're right back down. This is kind of looking like London session consolidation rather than London session manipulation, reversal, turn, New York continuation. Because it went down, then up, then right back down. Kind of looks like consolidation. Regardless, though, we're up 10K on the week. Yesterday's win, I made 18,000. Oh fuck! I forgot to update the title of the YouTube video. I need to do that right now. Because I made more money than that. So my second take profit on my second take profit got hit, so it was 18,541. 18,541. There we go. So yeah, I'm up 10 or yeah, no, I'm up 10K on the week because we lost 8K on, when was it? Tuesday? No, Monday. And then we made 18K on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Let's see. The last 2 weeks before this week, we fucking crushed it. We were up like I think like 160K total over like 6 trading days. Now we're only up 10K. Regardless, we're still trading pretty well. Obviously, see, this is what trading's about. Within that $160,000 like P&L of the past 2 weeks, you would think that it was just like win, 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 win. No, that was not the case. There was 2 relatively large losses. There was a loss of $97,000. There was a loss of $30-something thousand, or it might have even been like $40,000. I can't remember. Go check my trade recaps. So, again, that's what trading's about. It's literally a trend. We make a higher high with a win, and then we make a higher low with a loss. As long as those lows aren't completely wiping out the big extension up from our wins, like we want our trading P&Ls to look like this. Not like this. Right? Because then we would be break even, and especially not like this. Because then we would suck. But yeah, that's what trading's all about, man. And a lot of people, like, I don't know, they're so afraid of losses. I'm not afraid of losses. Risk management has been I've been working big time on my risk management this past year when it comes to knowing what days to de-risk, knowing what days to go heavier risk on, knowing what days I can take multiple trades on, knowing what days to just completely avoid in general. Like, and that has made me way more money this year by learning and understanding when I can go heavier with risk, when I should go lighter with risk, when I shouldn't be taking trades, when I have the opportunity to take more trades. Like, a lot of people have been calling me fucking emotional or whatever, saying that, oh, you're over trading in the past couple trade recaps. And it's like, no, I am not. Matter of fact, I manage my risk fucking perfectly on those days because I gave myself an opportunity to capitalize on a move. I wasn't able to capitalize on it. I took a loss, but I also left risk on the table for me to potentially lose and then for me to be able to get back in to another position to still capitalize on my super strong bias for the day. So, if anything, smart thinking, not being emotional. Also, speaking of, I just saw my hands. I want a fucking hand tattoo. I want to fucking blood my shit out. Would I look too scary like that? I feel like I have, because I have like, right now, if I wear like hoodie and sweats, you would think I'm just like the cutest little boy ever. Pause. What the fuck? Holy shit. That was crazy. But true though, I'm like a beautiful little baby boy when I'm fully covered. But then, boom, tank top, there's a fucking bird screeching down my shoulder. So it's like, you know, I can play both. I also want to get my back flooded out, but I just don't really know what I want to put on there. Or I kind of have a good idea. It's just, I don't really have time to do that shit right now. I low-key want to do that shit before I start traveling in the summer though. June is when I'll pretty much just, I'll have a fucking face tat by then. Nah, I can't do that. Even though I want to get some more shit, like on the top floor, I got this little one right here in my fucking throat. Got that fucking life-changing throat. Got that fucking limitless throat. Got that fucking never-ending throat. Got that fucking money-making throat. That's the scary part about getting a face tattoo. Or not a face tattoo, a neck tattoo. It's like, dude, you're going heavy on the risk of potentially being put on the front page of a meme page. Okay, cool. Let's lock in. Anyways, I want a hand tattoo. I want to get my back tatted, and I want to put like, not like some fucking huge shit, just some more small shit. Like I really like this one that I have right here. All right, mate. Let's get ourselves a villa in Ibiza. I am going to touch you guys. Imagine this is your penis. Sorry, dude. Ugh. Guys. I've been doing so much fucking traveling the past 2 months, or like month and a half for real. I just want it all to be over, dude. Dude, everybody in my family is getting fucking married, dude. I go to see my brother. I leave Miami today to go see my brother get married, and then after that, it's like word. We come back here, Kill Tech Capsule 2 drops. We do the whole drop, get everything locked in, and then right after that, my fucking cousin's getting married. And then literally 2 weeks after that, my other cousin's getting married. And like, it's not one of those like my family's super fucking close. So it's not one of those things where I can just like be like, oh, it's a cousin's wedding, I don't have to go to that. Like, one of them was a cousin. I mean, both of them are fucking cousins that I've known since like birth, bro. And they're like good friends too. So it just sucks that I have to get, and it sucks because every single one of my family members is on the West Coast, and I'm like as far East Coast as possible in fucking Puerto Rico, dude. Like literally, Puerto Rico is about as far East Coast in the like a part of the U.S. that you could possibly go, and every single one of those people is getting fucking married in California, getting married in Utah, getting married in Arizona, and it's like, I'm going cross country every other fucking weekend just to see these dudes get married. By all means, I'm super happy for them. But dog, can we meet halfway? Can one of y'all get married in like fucking Texas or something so I can take a one-way flight so I'm not doing the layover shit? It's literally like a full week ordeal just to go travel and see these dudes get married for a day. It's actually insane. Okay, let's lock in. We're above London session highs right here. I would love to see like an SMT ski, and then maybe we can go down and take out these high time frame lows, but I don't know. Macro opens in 3 minutes. This 1 hour just looks like shit for real. There's a whole bunch of low resistance draws on liquidity here on NASDAQ on the high time frame. That's kind of enticing. But it's all the way up here. I'm all the way up. ES has these. Wait. Which index had the equal highs yesterday? It must have been on the lower time frames, but yeah. Who's that one rapper that says the N-word in such a cool way? Is it this one? When is he gonna say it? Wait, when does he say it? So hard. It just rolls off the tongue for that guy. He's just like me for real. Just rolls off the tongue. All right. Sorry to all of my. Sorry. What are you gonna do? Cancel me? It's so funny, dude. People on the internet are so weird. They're like, "Oh, I wish I could say what you say on the internet." Say it. Say it, dude. What? Like, what do you mean you wish you could say what I say on the internet? That's so fucking sad that you're so scared of what other people are going to say. That just goes to show that you care about what other people think of you. Like, dude, who gives a shit? Not that I'm saying, like, go out of your way and just be like, just be your fucking self, okay? It actually, like people, and that's not even like talking about like the N bomb. Okay, that one is a sticky situation. Okay, I know a lot of people can get riled up about that, but I'm just saying, like, in general, like, dude, we just did a podcast with Richie Daddy Wellness, and people were sending me clips from it, and they were like, dude, no way you said that. And it's like, dude, what are you talking about? Like, it's just like it's just an opinion. And it was like me talking about Jounce in Dubai, and people are like, no fucking way, can't believe you were able to say that and not get canceled. It's like, dude, what are you talking about? If people were to just say what they were thinking 24/7, oh, the world would be a far better place. Why can't people just be honest nowadays? Like, what? That isn't that crazy that people on social media, like literally every single person in the fucking world, for the most part, isn't saying their true opinion and isn't being completely honest about how they feel about things. Like, what? And then when I go and do it, everyone like fucking loves me for it because they're like, oh, this dude's so brutally honest. Like, dude, what? You have the ability to do that too. Like, don't make me be the voice for the people. You guys can do the shit too. All right, dude. This is okay, let's see if we sweep these guys out. We're definitely going to take these out. Maybe once we sweep these guys out, then we'll get some action Bronson to the downside. Sheesh, that SF90 spec is crazy. All right, we swept out London session highs. Let's see if we can get a rotation to the downside from here. Nasdaq is hella bullish right now. Rolls Royce Cullinan, the Mansory Cullinan, the Mansory Cullinan, the Croco and the Cullinan. Hard. Let's see if we break structure. I need to pee, dude. Sorry, I know I say that literally every single trade recap, but it's true. Also, the trade... Wait, yeah, I already told you guys that. Trade recap from yesterday got uploaded this morning. If you guys want to see that, go watch it, and then I guess watch this one too. You guys are already watching this. I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know, okay? Some things in this life I don't fucking know. You know what I do know, though? I know where the market's going to go. I'm just kidding. I do not know what the fuck I'm going to do with this price action right now. We're literally just playing within range. I would love to see price just go down. Oh, man. Love me, say that you love me. Hey, Fifi, I need a poop. I need to poop. My tummy's rumbling too. I drank a whole bunch of coffee this morning, and that always just, dude, opens up the floodgates. Let's see if we get a break off these highs. That would be fire. That would be pretty fire. Fire. So fire. So fire, dude. That would be pretty fire. Let's see if we get a break structure, dude. That would be fire. So fire. Oh yeah. So fire. My tongue durability is actually insane. I have like a max stat tongue. Dude, this is something I used to think it was cool, but obviously as I got older, I realized it's actually just like super pushing the homo, the homo, yeah, the homo, pretty much. I have like a long ass tongue, and like when I was younger, I was like, look how long my tongue is. Now I don't pull out that party trick ever, but bro, my shit is girthy. I have like a dog tongue, dude. Ready? Bro, like I don't think you guys can even comprehend the length on this bitch. I can literally pick my nose with my tongue. Like I'm getting in there. Most people are like just trying to tap the top, of their nose, like that shit. No, dude. And like they're getting just like the little bottom crevice type shit. No, dude. I'm fully infiltrating the nose. Like I'm touching my nose hairs and shit with that. Okay. Let's like actually start trading now. So fire. So fire, dude. Dude, that would be so fire. That's so fucking fire. Oh, dude. Dude. That capsule 2 kill tech so fucking fire. Bro. So fire. Okay, lock in. ES broke structure to the downside. Wow, I gotta pee. That was like a big time urge. Literally everything, every single order flow on NASDAQ is bullish. Shout out to the fucking TJR order flow indicator so I don't even have to look at that bitch. But on ES, we're bearish. I would love to just see us sweep these highs and then rotate or cuff straight down here. See, if today, imagine if today we actually got price action that, ooh, wait, we're actually loading. We're loading, what the fuck? I'm going to enter right here on ES. We filled that gap pretty well. Now we're just like literally ripping to the top side. Wow, and I need to poop my freaking pants, dude. Oh my. What news was there? Nothing. Bro, one of my positions got stopped out and the other two are still live because I couldn't even set the stop loss on them. Holy shit. Jeez, dude. Okay, I fully got out of that. Luckily at like the same point as here, but dude, that was crazy. I didn't even get to set my stop loss on two of the positions. Okay, so that was fucking crazy. What the fuck? I lost $24,000. I lost $24,000 on that. What the hell? What news was that? I'm still open to trying to find a trade, but that was insane. There was literally no news. That was just a 10 a.m. candle? Wow, I didn't even get to set any of my shit up. So I lost 24K on that. Holy shit. Let's see how price ends up going from here. That would be fire if that was just a manipulation wick. We took out these highs right here. NASDAQ, we got so fucking close to Asian session highs though. It's kind of making me think that we're gonna want to go up and get these. That was insane. Literally no news. Okay, I'm going to go to the bathroom. Let's wait for price to chill out a little bit. That was so really fucking unfortunate for real. Oh, wow, that P actually felt magical. Yeah, sheesh, dude. That was fucking crazy. Maybe we just want to go up and take out all of this low resistance liquidity on the high time frames. Wasn't really what I was expecting because it was just so high up, but that's kind of what it's looking like. I think if that's the case, see, that's the thing. I don't really want to take longs. Let's see what happens off of this now. It's hard for me to want to think about like even going short in this, but also that wick was just crazy. I want to wait for price to develop a little bit more. If I were to go for longs, I wouldn't do it on ES. I would do it on NASDAQ because of these draws. We came down, we swept out these lows on the 1 minute. Kind of in this in-between right now where like I could still very well see this huge wick just being a liquidity sweep and then us rotating to the downside, or us wanting to rotate up to take out these highs. It's kind of what we're watching for right now. And we're hesitating at these highs right now. I think price is trying to figure itself out too. If price wants to go short, then ES would be the obvious play because we're just hesitating at these London highs. If price wants us to go long, then NASDAQ would be the obvious play because we have all of this up here. Kind of thinking that it's going to be a long John Silver. I can't lie. Let's wait until this 5 minute closes. That was fucking crazy, dude. Yeah, bro, I'm leaning towards the longs. Really trying to see what ES does. Okay. Got the break on ES. I'm going to enter here again. I would love to see NASDAQ break structure right here. Would be so fire if NASDAQ could get underneath the 79% extension. Let's flood this bitch down, dude. We poked underneath the 79% extension. I would love to see NASDAQ close underneath that. We close underneath it on ES. But NASDAQ, since NASDAQ is the bullish one, I want to see it fully close underneath here. We broke 1 minute structure on NASDAQ too. It's probably going to be moment of truth while we're in these gaps. I like the reaction on ES. These flies pissing me off. How did you guys even get in here, dude? NASDAQ, good reaction off of this gap, but we're still bullish on like pretty much fucking everything on NASDAQ besides the 1 minute. ES looks a little bit better. Gotta see price rotate down. There's a lot of shit on this chart right now. I gotta kill this fly, bro. I lost track of him. Yeah, bro, this has gotta be sweep work. That NASDAQ is not looking good. The draws up here are super solid for NASDAQ. And we just got really fucking close to those Asian session highs. It's kind of spooking me. Ah, man. Think we got the wrong end of the stick here, dudes. I think I got him. Damn, man. think we're crushed on this shit. We gotta hope. Hopes and dreams. Trading off of hopes and dreams. Fuck. The fact that ES is still staying underneath these highs, though, is like just keeping me sane in the slightest. Ha. Filled this bullish gap. Gullinen. Ooh. Gullinen. That was a nice close. Gullinen. Rolls-Royce Gullinen. 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 Why is my trade locker not loading? We gotta load this bitch up. Come on. No, don't sweep it. Please. Rose-Loris Kulinin. Ah, shit. Dude, if we could break 5-minute structure on ES, that would be so fire. We've got the world famous head and shoulders pattern. Let's see if the pattern traders play out in our favor. We got shoulder, head, shoulder. Dump it. Come on, Kulinin. 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 All right, fire. We broke structure on the 5-minute. NASDAQ is just going fucking sideways. ES is going down. Let's see what happens. The only thing that scares me is just how fucking close NASDAQ is to all of this low resistance, high time frame liquidity. But right now, ES is looking pretty freaking decent, especially because we're staying underneath these hourly highs. Cullinan. This will be my first take profit. Yeah, NASDAQ just has some strength for real today. Give me a time, give me a place, I'm in a way. Back it up, back it up. It's looking pretty fucking juicy right now, dudes. Let's see if we can get ourselves a Cullinan and hit take profit 1. This is crazy though. NASDAQ is just holding its fucking ground up here. While ES is falling. It's crazy. Dude, I feel bad for anybody that is in a trade on NASDAQ on this shit, bro. Holy fucking slowpoke. That shit is just consolidating for real. See if we can hit this bitch. Dude. Man, why are we always just getting stuck in some shit, dude? Stuck sitting here with our dick in our hands. Nah, don't do that. Come on, Kulinen. Wow, equal lows here too. Come on, Kulinen. You're gonna want those. 4 equal lows? Come on, man. You know you want that. Give me a time, give me a place. I'm on the web. But back it up. But back it. Dog. Are we being dead ass right now? Are you serious right now? Oh man, prices. Oh. I wish we had price action like 2 weeks prior to this, where it was just like perfect, like it just like where price just chose a direction for real. It's like we've kind of been within this market open range for a little bit. I miss the up only or down only candles. That shit was a vibe. I've been getting a little bit impatient with having to sit through this price action. Give me a time, give me a place, I'm on the way. But back it up. But back it, back it. Let's see if we can go back down and get a Cullinan. Let's see if we'll be able to buy ourselves a Rolls Royce Cullinan. Once again, poor fucking NASDAQ traders, dude. I actually feel so fucking sorry for you if you were in a trade in any of this. So fucking sorry. Rolls Royce Cullinan. Yeah, let's gangbang these relative equal, or let's gangbang these equal lows, these 4 equal lows, and then take out our TP1 while we're at it. Can we all agree? Sir, yes, sir. Can we all agree? Holy shit, dude. NASDAQ actually looks so atrocious. Back it, back it. But back it up. But back it all the time, baby. Damn it. Insane, dude. Baby, back it up. Back it. But back it up. But back it up. Go on. Take those equal lows, dude. I know you want it. I know you want them. Come on, equal low snatcher. Just get them. There you go. Now let's go take out that green bean, make your bitch scream, and then we can just, boom, just be fucking chilling, right, dude? Right, dude? Let's go take it out. Let's go take it out. You're so fucking close. Go take it out. Go take it out and get yourself a Rolls Royce Cullinan. Go take it out, get yourself a Cullinan. Dude, NASDAQ is actually so ass, bro. I'm so sorry if you guys are in a trade on that shit. So fucking sorry. Like, truly, from the bottom of my heart, I'm really sorry that you guys are in a trade on NASDAQ right now. Cullinan. Okay, TP1 was just hit. Taking partials here. Okay. So, with that getting hit, I'm only down $3,000, which makes this loss a lot more bearable than the 24K on that fucking news spike. Let's see. I mean, shit, dude. Price is probably going to take fucking forever to try and get down there. Let me go ahead and move my stops to break even before shit gets fucking vicious. Okay, stops are at break even now. Dude, are you joking with this? This is crazy, dude. Wow. Okay, so, I mean, at least if I lose, it's not that much bread. And if we want to go down and take out these hourly lows down here and these London session lows, potentially these guys down here, I might as well leave this as an extendo ecliptic all the way down here. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I got a lot of shit to do today. I need to pack. We also need to ship out a lot of these Kill Tech packages. So right now I am stops at break even. I'm sitting at a floating, or not floating. I'm floating $7,000 in profit with a total like secured P&L of negative $3,650. Wait, let me check something super quick to see if it will be easy for me to edit like some fucking videos on here, because in Puerto Rico it just doesn't work. Not that it doesn't work, but it's just really fucking hard to do it. Let's see if the app on here on this PC is better. Skip that. Oh yeah. Okay, word. We should be good. Okay, so I mean, look, if we go get stopped out here, then I can just call it a day, but bro, yeah, so look, it looks like Nasdaq's going to want to go up and take out those highs finally. And with that being said, I'll probably get stopped out at break even on the rest of these unless this thing just like rotates again and this is just like a huge fucking game. But I think what I'm going to do regardless is, you guys know my P&L right now, negative $3,650. Have a whole bunch of positions that were entered right here. All stops are at break even. One loss, one win, And what I'll do is if we end up hitting all of these take profits, I'll make another video, rejoin this bitch, and then it'll be like I'll attach it to this one. But if I end up getting stopped out at break even, this will just be the end of the video because you guys already saw the entry and the exit of that. So cool. I'm going to go ahead and set my alerts right here and right here. And I'm going to get to the gym and finish packing up these packages. So with that being said, I'm not sure if I will see you guys in like the next 2 seconds. If I spawn back in, that means we hit more take profits. If I don't spawn back in, then that means break even was hit and I only lost $3,650 for the day. So cool. I'll either see you guys soon. Hopefully I see you guys soon. Hopefully I make some more money. But if not, the end.